Okay, good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we'll continue our lessons. Today, we will have a grammar lesson. Today, we will talk about present simple tense. What is the meaning of present simple? How can I use the present simple? We have two states, affirmative state and negative state. For example, I can say, I start, we start, you start, they start. As you see, start has no additions. There is no additions. We don't say start, starting, started. I say I start, we start, you start, they start. Okay? He starts. Okay. Here we say start here, but here we say starts. He starts, she starts, it starts. For example, I don't start. I don't start. Here in negative state or in negative case. I don't start, we don't start, you don't start, they don't start. He doesn't start. She doesn't start. It doesn't start. Any questions? I can say, do I start? Do we start? Do you start? Do they start? Does he start? Does she start? Does it start? Okay. As we see, with pronouns I, they, we, you, there is no additions. We don't add anything to the verb itself. Okay? If we have he, she, it, we usually add s or es or ies according to the end of the verb. Okay. For example, what do you do every day after school? I watch TV and then my brother and I play computer games. We have a preposition of time. It's very important to know what are prepositions of time. We have at, in, on, till, until, and before and after. Okay? We use at 7, at midnight, at the weekend, etc. In the morning, in the spring, in March, in June, in July, and etc. On Thursday, on Sunday, on evening, on weekdays, etc. Till, or until 9 p.m., noon, till Sunday, etc. Before lunch or school or 11 p.m., after lunch, after school, and after 11 p.m., etc. Okay, complete with the present simple of the verbs in practice. Now you will complete with the present simple. As we say, we use I, they, we, you, plus the verb itself. Okay? We don't add anything to the verb. If we say he, she, it, we usually add s or es or ies according to the ending of the verb. Okay. Question number 1. William space do his homework. William space do his homework. As we see, William is a singular now. We should add here ses or ies because the verb ends with o. We should add es. Okay. William does his homework. When he space get home, he is singular. He is single pronoun. We should add s to the verb get. When he gets home. Number 2, A space U space finish school at 3 p.m. on Wednesdays. This is a question. This is a questions, and when we have a question in present simple, we usually ask with do or does. Here we have you. We have you. I, they, we, you. We should begin with do. Okay, and the verb itself, finish. We didn't or we don't add anything to the verb. The verb itself, do plus infinitive. Do you finish? Okay, do you finish school at 3 p.m. on Wednesdays? Number B, no, we. Oh, okay. Here we have a negative statement. Negative. No, we. No, we. Yes, no, we finish at 1:30. No, we finish at 1:30. Number 3, my brother space, my mother space not work on Thursdays, so she space go shopping. My mother doesn't work. Here we have a negative statement. We usually use doesn't or don't. Doesn't when we have he, she, it or singular noun. Don't when we have they, we, you or plural noun. Here my mother is singular. My mother, I have only one mother. My mother doesn't work on Thursdays, so she is singular pronoun. We should add s, es, ies to the verb. Okay, here the verb ends with o. We should add es. The answer, Thursdays, so she goes shopping. Now, complete with the present simple of the verbs in practice. Now we will complete our questions. Number 4, when space your brother space play computer games. Okay, this is a questions. We should ask with do or does. When does your brother, because your brother is a singular now. When does your brother play, because does and do always followed by infinitive. Number B, every day after school, and he also, yes, plays computer games at the weekends. Number 5, Tom and Ali space not stay. Tom and Ali is plural. Tom and Ali are plural nouns. Okay, don't stay because they are plural. Tom and Ali are plural nouns. Don't stay at home on Fridays. They, excellent, they ride their bikes in the park. Okay, now we have finished our lessons today. Goodbye for now and see you soon. With my best wishes, good luck.